The cornice was absolutely not going to make it.
But look how beautiful it looks.
Sergey killed it.
Great way to keep the history, but yet modernize it.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Sergey. I'm the owner of Architectural Mall. If you've been following along, you have seen the first two segments of Architectural Mall on Windy City Rehab. This is the final installment of that three-part series where you will see the before and after of the total project. We are working on another video that is going to be so cool, talking about Washington Pavilion and the cornice that we had to replicate to actually look like terracotta. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video we're making.
And now Sergey's guys are installing that beautiful new railing, spindles, and the newel posts. Okay. What we were working with before is what made me fall in love with this house. You don't see these anymore.
Yep.
Everything that we could. I love the original corbels that are so massive.
Yep.
The cornice was absolutely not going to make it.
But look how beautiful it looks.
Sergey killed it.
Great way to keep the history, but yet modernize it.
Yeah.